Okay, so this is Milwaukee's newest vest. This is the Axis, the one with the HEXON uh, warmers. I got this from Northern Tools for 179. It came with a M12 battery charger and a Milwaukee M12 2.0 battery. I'm usually a size XL, but this one I had to size down to a large based on the user reviews that I've seen on HomeDepot.com, Northern Tools, and Milwaukee.com, and they were right. You know, it runs big, so you have to size down. And not only that, for this vest, I think you want it closer to your body. If you get it too loose, uh, basically it won't trap the heat. Oh my God, this thing's getting warm. I'm sweating. I have it on level 1 right now. I'm indoors. Um, Basically, I just want to show everyone how the fit is, the quality. It's actually pretty good. Um, the outer layer seems like a very durable material. It's feels like a ripstop fabric. You know, you can see the fit. I'm a fairly big guy. I'm 5'8", 240 fat. Right, everyone's fat. So look at the belly. Right, if you got a belly, you know, no issues. Right. Uh, One of the biggest complaints that I've seen is the battery uh, being in the way. I mean, I just put it at the front. You could put it in two positions, the front or the back, right here in the kidney. I put it at the front and it sits right below my belly. It's comfortable. So it feels like I have a Heineken can right under my belly. That's what it feels like. Other than that, I mean, it works pretty well. It heats up fast. Uh, as far as the price go, value, it is pretty high. You can go get one of these from Facebook Marketplace from resellers. Resellers usually resell return items from Home Depot. You can get one of these for about 120 bucks, $100 on a Facebook Marketplace, but they are going to be used. Other than that, very good quality. It's got a Milwaukee sign in the back, uh, M12 logo right here. I mean, it just looks cool as heck. The only thing for me that I don't like is this. Why does it have to light up so bright? You know, look at that. That's just right. It's a attention grabber. I work in the airport, and everyone's just gonna be looking at me. Oh my God, that's hot. I am sweating. So you hold it down to turn it off. But other than that, very high quality vest. Some people are saying it doesn't really work. Well, they probably bought one that's too big for them. So I'm gonna wear it just like this. You got a shirt, uh, the vest, and then I'm gonna wear a heavy coat over it. That's how I'm gonna use this thing, and it should last me for a while. I have four M12 batteries. Don't use the one that are squarish, like the 4.0s, the 5.0s, or the 6.0s. Use the round ones, the barrel shaped ones, the 1.5s, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0s. You can get knockoffs from Amazon for two 3.0s for $20 or something like that. You know, your mileage may vary. Those might probably explode though. So, anywho, bye.